Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix save data is corrupted in Rocket League. So the first thing you need to do is to just close the game right now, fully exit the game. After that you need to open the documents page. So after that you need to open your file explorer and hit on documents. Then from here you need to enter my games, as see from here. You will see a lot of games files from here. You need to open the Rocket League game file. After that you need to enter TA game. Then from here you need to enter save data epic. Now you will find DBE production. You need to enter this file as see from here. After that you need to just select all of these files and just hit on delete button, or just right click it and click on the delete button. So after you do this step, you will refresh your save file and the save file that Rocket League knows that is uploaded to their servers will be re-downloaded and re-verified, and your game save files will be refreshed. So now you need to just open the game and see if that really fixes your issue, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.